Here we are at CES 2026 demonstrating our Darsi. Darsi is a purpose-built compute platform ideal for robotics. Darsi is built for outdoor applications. It can withstand harsh environments. It can withstand all the vibration and shock which you can expect on an outdoor environment. And also it's an IP67 rated platform. It has been on shower for 4 days and it is continuously running all the 8 cameras. If you are building an outdoor delivery robot or autonomous mobile robot, you have the perfect cameras, synchronized camera support, and with NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX, the platform is readily available. It can be synchronized with other sensors like LiDAR as well. This is the ideal platform with ideal cameras for an outdoor environment.